Hi YouTube, it's CoverGirl Sansan here with this video pre-op tummy tuck. I want to tell you the stuff I get prepared before surgery. I'm having surgery tomorrow, and I want to tell you the stuff that I get before surgery to get myself ready, so when I come home I should be fine. So let's start with what I get. I get bath cloths for showering, because you can shower, the doctor said 48 hours. So I get these washcloths because I have to take a shower. And I get these playtex flushable wipes. Also, I have a band-aid you need it for the belly button. And I get gloves. Also, I get hydrogen peroxide. This stuff is from me watching other videos and stuff like that. I have non-stick pad. I have more pads. I get them like in different size, just in case, I guess, for drainage or whatever from the cut, from the incision. And this is gauze, and I just bought like a whole bunch of gauze and pads. And let's talk. And I have tape also for medication. I have to put this patch behind my ears tonight. It's for nausea and vomiting, for surgery for tomorrow. This is going to be the pain medication, hydrocodone. You have to take this one every 6 hours. The doctor actually said try to take it 20 minutes early. Don't let it wear out. So I guess, like, the pain is going to be crazy. And I bought also a stool softener, because when you're taking the pain medication, you will get constipated. And these are my regular stuff. One a day woman vitamin. I also get B12. I'm supposed to be taking one every day anyways. When my result came back, my labs before surgery, my B12 is very, very, very low. And I also have my iron for after surgery. I pick up chapstick, and I have my sleep support, and I also get some cough drops, a few of them, because they say that when you're like after surgery and you're coughing and stuff, it's gonna be horrible, because you have that big incision in your stomach, and like you need to put like a pillow or something there to when you're coughing, for support. I rented a recliner chair, because I know that after surgery, after you have that big incision in your belly bottom, you have to sit up. You can't like really lay like flat. So I don't think the bed would be comfortable. So I rent one from a rent-a-center. And I got a brand new one, and it was $20 a day. So I only rented for 3 weeks, because I think after 3 weeks I should be good. I also have a pillow, the neck roll pillow, like you travel with. I have one of those for comfort. And what I did today, so I cooked today so that my kids and my husband wouldn't have to worry about that stuff for a couple of days. So, and what else? Let's see. I get my stuff together. What I did, I get like a little container, and I'm going to pack all these stuff in the little container and keep them right by me, so I don't have to keep bothering the kids or my husband. So that's that. And all ready for tomorrow. I should be there at 5:30 at the hospital. I will be get rid of my wig, take it off, my lashes, everything. You're supposed to take shower 3 days in a row with an antiseptic soap. So I've been showering with that. So I'm going to take another shower tonight, and I will be taking another shower in the morning using the same soap. When you're going to the hospital, you before surgery they said you can't use no lotion, nothing. So it's just take a shower and come in. I went to Walmart also, and I get a button up top for surgery to wear and wear back home, because the they say lifting your hands over your head, that kind of stuff, it's painful. So it's better to have like a button up shirt that you could just put your arms into. What else? Let's see. So I said I have to be there at 5:30. Surgery they said is 3 hours and I think 20 minutes long. And by the way, I'm in Colorado, and I am going to UC Health. And I will be coming home tomorrow. I'll be coming home with a drainage. They also mentioned that I need to buy a Spanx for further, like 2 weeks later after your first doctor visit. You need to wear Spanx, so I need to order. So they said I could get it at Walmart, or I could order on Amazon or something. So they did say 2 weeks. I'll just wait and see how I feel after I get home, so I could know what size to buy or whatever the case may be. But also the recliner chair that I get, it comes with a with cup holders, and also USB ports, so I could charge my phone and all that kind of stuff while sitting there, which is good. And I will be staying in my living room because I don't want to be in my room. I'll be isolated if I'm just in my room. So that's basically it. So I get all these goodies for surgery. Hopefully this is everything that I need, and if I need more, I guess I'll just send my husband out to get it. But I should be good. And I pack like my little stuff for my face and my lotion and all that kind of stuff. I pack them in a little thing to put right by my chair, so I don't have to keep calling. Oh, another thing, I bought pineapple juice. They said the pineapple juice help with the swelling, so I bought like the 24 case from Sam's Club. It wasn't bad. It was like $10. And I buy the Gatorade zero, so no sugar, because I'm not even supposed to be having sugar like that. I'm a gastric bypass patient. And what else did I buy? Oh, and I bought some Premier protein shake. They're actually on sale at Sam's right now for like $13.99, because they're normally $16.99. They're $13.99, and I get those. So I guess those would be my meal, just in case I don't feel like, eating. Depends. I don't know how I'm gonna feel. I hear that it's a rough surgery. So I'm well prepared. This is something that I want for many, 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 many years now, like since 2006, and that was 2020, and I'm finally getting it. So I'm excited. Can't wait for tomorrow. So guys, I'm not gonna keep you long. I just want to let you know, just in case somebody like wants to know otherwise, like what I get. what you need before surgery. Maybe I need more stuff, I'm not sure. Maybe I don't need all of this, so I'm not sure. But better to have than don't have. And whatever I don't have, then I'll just send my husband to get it. And yeah, so guys, I want you to follow me on this journey. Like my video, subscribe if you are not already subscribed to my channel, and like my videos, and stay with me so I can show you my before and after pictures, and I can tell you what I went through. Yes, I mean tomorrow I will be able to tell you what I went through, how I feel, what they did. I don't know if in the morning I can make like a video while I'm there. I'm not sure if I will be doing that, but if not, hopefully the follow when I get out tomorrow, if I don't know, if I'm not too drugged up, then I'll make a video and tell you what happened, or the following day. I'll try my best. So thanks guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my video.